be another one of those labs that, unless you have an advanced group of students who have already previously used the capacitor, that was in chapter 13, so they know what that's doing, can handle that, know how to use the multimeter. And then there's some graphing and calculations as well. So preview this one. This may be one that you skip over, but I do want to kind of show you guys what this looks like. And I know that the angle that you guys are seeing right now, you may not get a perfect view of this. I'm going to try to video it top down afterwards and superimpose those. Pardon the interruption, but hopefully that way you can see what the multimeter is reading and what I'm doing with the circuit. So hopefully those videos are popping up. But essentially you have this circuit now built, and if you are careful enough, you can get the leads to sit in the clamp, so that way this is measuring the voltage. With this all closed up, I'm getting a voltage of 0. If I close this first switch, what the paper calls switch 1, this is actually charging up the capacitor. I've created a little circuit down on this side of the board. It says to hold it for about 5 seconds, and then you're able to open up that switch. So now we're going to close switch 2, and this is actually going to create a circuit without the battery in it, but just the capacitor. This is going to start off at the full voltage that the battery has, but then it will slowly drain over time as it's lost through the resistor. And so students are going to record the voltage that they read out on the multimeter over the course every 10 seconds once it reads. And so I'll go ahead and close that. It pops up with a voltage of about 1.4, and then it's steadily dropping. You'll notice it drops quick at first, and then it kind of starts to slow down over time, which is why every 10 seconds is perfectly fine. Students are recording all of that, then they're calculating and changing that into current, making a graph of that data with the current over time, and then from that answering a bunch of questions, which is why this may be for a more advanced class, but I'll leave that up to you and how you think about what your students can handle. So it is still dropping. I am now down to 0.1 volt, and it's really slowed down. So now it's at 0.1, 0.09, so you can see how it really slows down. So they should get, let me do this right way, you should get a curve that looks steep at first as it's dropping, and then plateau. And you see that graph on page 3 of the investigation. All right. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and maybe this is a lab that you're interested in doing. If so, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video.